Once you open the Vendor Central template, select the Enable Content button to activate the inbuilt macro. Select File on the menu bar. Select Save As. Once the Save As window opens, select Desktop as location to save the template. Do not make any changes to file name or extension. Click Save to continue. There are two types of entry options available in a Vendor Central template. Look how the tooltip appears upon selecting any cell in the template. The first mode of entry is through a drop-down list. Click the down arrow icon next to the cell to view a drop-down list. The drop-down list appears. You must select an option from the list as the attribute value. The second mode of entry is an input field. You can enter text, or number, or a combination of both, to fill this kind of attributes. All Vendor Central templates are color-coded, with orange and green colors. Orange denotes mandatory attributes, which must be filled to set up an item, and green denotes the attributes which are optional to process the product setup. However, it is a good practice to fill all attributes before the submission. Now, let's start filling the attributes. Always remember to start from the extreme left of the template. Sometimes, filling one attribute makes another attribute mandatory. Such attributes are called conditionally mandatory attributes and are highlighted with orange-colored fields. Please note that the attribute headers still remain green and does not change color. It is absolutely necessary to fill these attributes before submission. Sometimes, you might encounter more than one conditionally mandatory attributes. Remember to fill them all. Once you have filled the entire template, save the file and click on the Close icon at the right top corner of the window. The validation window appears. Click OK to start the validation process. It might take few seconds to complete the validation. Please wait. Validation results are shown upon completion. Click Yes to view errors. The cells with errors are highlighted in pink color. An associated error message also appears on clicking the comment icon in the cell. In this example, a mandatory attribute is not filled. Enter a value to proceed. In another example, as shown on the screen, two rows cannot have the same vendor SKU. Correct one to proceed.